It's time to play Angels We Have Heard on High in the key of C. Of course, at the end of the video, I'll give you the information on how you can get the song sheet as well as the play-along track. This is part of our Ukulele Holiday Challenge. I hope you're participating, but whatever you do, I hope you enjoy playing along with me. Right now, let's do it in the key of C, Angels We Have Heard on High. Angels we have heard on high, singing sweetly through the night, and the mountains in reply, echoing their brave delight. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Shepherds, why this jubilee? Why these songs of happy cheer? What great brightness did you see? What glad tidings did you hear? Gloria in excelsis Deo. In excelsis Deo. Okay, how'd you do? I hope you did great. Like I said, you can get the song sheet and the play-along track right here at patreon.com/Kalani. Go there and get that stuff. Participate in the Ukulele Holiday Challenge. You could win an ukulele. The link is below. Before you click away, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you get notifications. Thanks a lot for stopping by the Ukulele Club channel. I am Kalani Das. Go out and make some great music. Play some holiday songs for people you care about. I'll see you soon.